What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another Crane Cab tutorial. If we're meeting for the first time, welcome for any of you new viewers. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the only knot you need to know as a beginner angler. Enjoy.
Alright you guys, so the first thing you're going to do is run the tag end of your line through the eye of your hook or lure, about 6 centimeters, and fold it over. Next, twist your hook around 4 to 5 times. Alternatively, if you're tying on a lure that has treble hooks, just wrap the tag end around your main line 4 to 5 times, so you don't hook yourself. Then run your tag end through the loop we just made above the eye of the hook, wet it with some spit, and pull the tag end and main line to tighten it. Now, as a slight variation on this, for if you want some extra security or you're using braided line, is to run your tag end through the loop we made, and instead of just tightening it, run it back through the second loop twice, wet it, and then pull it tight. Also, always be sure to pull test your knots before fishing them. You wouldn't want to hook into your next PB and lose it just because your knot slipped. And there we go, you guys. That's how you tie a regular and improved clinch knot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy fishing!